If you're a community for seniors and have residents who are struggling to go to a dental office, let Sound Dental Care help you. Sound Dental Care is a mobile service that brings geriatric dental services to seniors who are living in nursing homes, skilled nursing, and memory care. Their mission is to take care of senior residents who need oral and dental care. And they take most insurance plans, even Medicaid. They work closely with patients, families, and facilities to offer convenient, affordable, and preventative dental care services. To learn more, go to sounddentalcare.com.